I did not see all this before. You are making everyone else wait every morning.
Maya, open the door now. We need to talk as a family before this makes us all late.
Maya, please open the door. My tummy hurts, and I really need the bathroom right now. Wait, Jace. I am almost done. I just need to fix my hair one more time. You said one more time 5 times already. My tummy cannot wait for your hair forever.
Again? Maya has been in there since breakfast. This bathroom is not a private beauty studio.
I know, Dad, but today is picture day. I need to look nice, and this will only take 1 minute.
Maya, your 1 minute is never 1 minute. It usually grows into a whole morning.
Please, Maya. I am not joking. I really need to go, and I am trying not to cry. I hear you, Jace. I am hurrying, but my hair still looks wrong in the front.
Why are all of you standing in the hallway? And why does Jace look like a small emergency sign?
Mom, Mia will not come out, and I really need the bathroom before school.
Maya, open the door now, please. Jace has an emergency, and the bathroom is for everyone.
But I am almost ready. I just need to check my face, my hair, my clips, and my smile.
This is the 3rd morning this week. Yesterday, I brushed my teeth in the kitchen sink.
And on Monday, I had to wash my face in the car with a wet wipe.
Last week, I waited so long that my cereal became soft and sad. I am not staying too long. I am just checking my hair, my face, my clips, and my smile.
Getting ready is fine, Maya. Blocking the bathroom for everyone is the problem.
Jace, try to breathe slowly. Dad and I will solve this, because this cannot be our family routine.
I am breathing, Mom, but my tummy is not listening like a good student.
Come on, buddy. We will try the small bathroom before this hallway becomes a drama stage.
Dad, why do we need a rescue plan just because Maya wants perfect hair?
Because humans are strange, and sometimes families need rules for very obvious things. Good news, the door opens. Bad news, the laundry basket is moved in like it owns the place.
Dad, this bathroom looks like the towels had a meeting and forgot to leave.
I will clear it fast. Go in when you can, and do not worry about anything else.
Maya, Jace found another bathroom today, but that does not make this habit okay.
I know everyone is waiting, but picture day is today. If I look messy, the picture will stay all year.
The bathroom door was closed, but the problem was spreading through the whole morning.
My meeting starts soon, and I still have toothpaste on my sleeve from yesterday's kitchen sink adventure.
We have only 6 minutes before we must leave. School, work, lunchboxes, shoes, and 1 locked bathroom.
If my picture looks bad, everyone will see it all year. I just need to practice my smile.
Practicing your smile is not wrong, but doing it while everyone waits is not fair.
I am not trying to be unfair. I just need quiet time before school.
Quiet time is good, but the shared bathroom is not the place for long quiet time.
I am okay now, but I do not want every morning to feel like a bathroom race.
You are right. The mystery is not the locked door. The mystery is where Maya's minutes go every morning.
A mystery? I do not think I have a bad habit. I just like to be ready. Maya, you are not just getting ready. You are making everyone else wait every morning.
Maya, open the door now. We need to talk as a family before this makes us all late.
I will open it, but please do not rush me the second I step out.
We are not rushing your feelings, Maya. We are talking about your choices.
But I came out, and I look ready now. So can we just go to school? You came out after I had to use the tiny laundry bathroom. That is not the same as helping.
And I am almost late for work because I could not use the bathroom to get ready.
When one person takes too much time, the whole family loses time.
I did not see all this before. I only saw myself in the mirror. I was impatient because I really needed help, not because I wanted to bother you.
Mia, caring about how you look is okay. Forgetting other people is the part we must fix.
I am sorry. I did not mean to make Jace hurt or make Dad late.
Saying sorry matters, but changing the habit matters more.
I want to change it, but when I look in the mirror, I keep finding one more thing to fix.
Operation Open Door begins now. No more lost minutes. No more hallway emergencies.
First rule, use the bathroom for washing, brushing, and toilet time. Long mirror time moves to your room.
So I should choose my hair clips in my room, not inside the bathroom?
Exactly. Choose clips, brush hair, and practice your smile in your room first.
And when you go into the bathroom, the timer can help you remember real minutes. I can try 7 minutes. 10 minutes becomes too easy for me to stretch.
That is a smart choice. You are not being punished. You are learning to share.
Second rule, if someone has a bathroom emergency, that person goes first every time.
I support this rule with my whole heart and my very serious stomach. I understand. If you say emergency, I will come out quickly and not argue.
Good. Rules work better when everyone can see them before the problem starts.
This can be your room kit. Your mirror time can happen in your room, not in the shared bathroom.
Thank you. This helps me feel ready without making everyone wait outside the door.
I will move these things to my room. If they stay here, I will keep staying here too long.
Now the emergency rule has a star, so nobody can pretend they did not see it.
I will fix the small bathroom too, because backup plans should not look like towel mountains.
Now the plan is not only on paper. The bathroom, the room kit, and the timer are ready too. We can still make it, but everyone needs to move like a team now.
Team Family is leaving the house. No more bathroom battles before the school bell.
The family left the house, but Maya was still thinking about the closed door.
Jace, I thought my morning was only about me, but it was really about all of us.
I know picture day matters, but when you lock the door too long, I feel invisible.
I am sorry. I did not want you to feel invisible. I was only looking at myself too much.
A mirror helps you see yourself, but family helps you remember other people too.
When we share a home, we share time, space, and respect.
Tomorrow, I will get ready in my room first. then use the bathroom only for what I need.
My tummy thanks you in advance, and it hopes tomorrow morning is less dramatic. We made it. Not perfectly, but together, and that still counts as a win.
After school, we will check the plan again and make sure tomorrow is better.
Deal! Tomorrow, I will prove I can leave the bathroom on time. Good! I like promises that protect people and stomachs.
The next morning, the real test came before anyone could say breakfast.
Hair clips first, mirror here, bathroom later. I can do this without taking everyone's time.
The bathroom door is open. This feels strange, peaceful, and a little suspicious.
A quiet bathroom door in the morning? I like this new kind of mystery.
I am going in for 7 minutes. If someone needs it, please knock and tell me clearly.
That is a good start. Remember, using the bathroom well means leaving time for others.
Wash face, brush teeth, check once, then leave. I do not need 5 extra checks. I want to fix it again, but it is already fine. The mirror does not need my whole morning. Maya, I do not have an emergency, but I need the bathroom after you. Thank you for telling me. I have 1 minute left, and I will come out on time. Your turn, Jace. I am done, and I did not turn 7 minutes into forever.
Maya learned that sharing a bathroom is not a small thing. It is a small way to show big care.